Any minute now. Ooh, shit.
If you weren't lit, it would have been lit by the sun.
Right.
Like the light on your end of cigarette went.
Give a big one.
Right. Oh, hang on. Wait.
Where's your string? On the floor.
You're gonna try and take
Wait. There we go. Can we get the fuses touching? Wait a minute. Wait. These have got to be secured, mate. These have got to be secured.
Where's the ferry there?
Josh, we're not supposed to bury them.
We're supposed to be 25 metres away.
Yeah, we're supposed to leg it.
Masterpiece.
We're all gonna die.
Smash all those bricks.
Right, you ready?
No, not yet, because they've got to be fixed to that.
It must be at least 25 metres away. Get away then. I'll put my inside.
Tight, nice and tight. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. Right, where's the end on the big ball? Cowards! They've all they've all legged it in the house and shut the door.
What do you expect?
Cowards!
Tying them down.
They're tying them down.
Oh, I don't like the way that's angled towards. No, we want to swim that way. Nice and tight, nice and tight. Pull it nice and tight.
The big fucker.
This is the big boomers.
I don't know the sound of that.
Probably be as limp as the little one.
Steve's gone as well.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Cowards! Cowards! Oh, hang on, are you ready to light that?
I'm ready to light it.
Wait. Let's move the string up a little. Make sure it's nice and tight. You're not gonna fucking move anymore. Are we ready for this? No, we are not.
Are you ready?
Right, almost. Run away! Hide! Wow!
There's both.
There's both of them! Oh, no! He cracked! 25 metres, my back. Ah! What's going on? We're under enemy fire! Holy hell! We're all gonna die! Ah! Fucking hell! Is it finished yet?
No.
Holy hell! Fucking hell! 25 metres away! Fucking hell!
You wonder.
Can we guess why?
Bang!
Alright.
Now the two masterpieces.
No, there's only one.
Point out the window.
There's only one masterpiece.
We've got one masterpiece. We've got a spring garden.
If you have a masterpiece down there. Yeah, you have.
And a
Oh, we had a
masterpiece.
masterpiece down here as well. We had masterpieces together.
Put a rocket on as well.
Won't be able to get it in time.
You will.
No chance.
Have two people doing it.
No.
Now I've got time together for us.
Yeah, tight. Twist them. Twisty. Nice and tight.
It's off!
don't know if you can see that, but that is how many fireworks we've been through.
Dan saying he wants more.
We need more fireworks.
Bloody
We
right.
like
got the
booms.
I ain't going, mate. Yeah, I have got about 40 quid on me.
Yeah.
We have 4
Are you
rock.
capable to drive?
I've had 2, mate. Oh, I'm over
Past
the limit.
I'll drive for you.
I am over the
I'll
limit.
drive.
Yeah, but you're not on
You
a
are not
insurance.
driving my car because you're not insured. You do know
You're not
this.
even insured on your own car.
This is going on YouTube. Holy hell, we're all gonna die. Yeah, nice and tight. Come on, pull it nice and fucking tight. I don't want that son of a bitch moving. Right, let's move these.
I've got a light on you. That stick fucking ran out.
There's a light
There's another
No,
stick.
it's alright, go on here.
There's another sticky thing I was gonna say.
What? Right.
Yeah, got to keep it.
Try
Look
and
at
get-
Rich hiding behind the curtain.
Like the curtain's gonna add more bloody protection. Are we ready?
Like the curtain's going to add more protection for Richard.
Both.
Run away! Run away! Hide! I'm running out of memory. That's no good. I think we was a little greedy with the... Ah! We're not done yet! Oh, bloody hell! Bloody hell! I think we're done. I think we're done.
We're done.
Alright, get them out of the way, get them out of the way.
Like all 4 rockets at once.
Yeah, we're gonna.
We're going to try. We need lighters.
Lighters!
No, move the stick closer.
No, not any closer.
Like every single one at the same time. Lighters. Steve, pass your lighter.
Yeah, this is grand finale.
Who's got a lighter?
I'm gonna run out of memory here.
Who's got a lighter?
I got a little shitty one, but it won't do all 4 at once.
I got this fucking one off Steve.
That's it. Try and get together.